some people who don't like spicy, some people who doesn't like sweet, but some people who like sweet. Some people who like everything. Some people who like anything that makes you full. Okay, and we also heard about different food from different area, right? Like food from Haiti that is a mixture of food actually from different places, from Africa and where else? China brought the Marco Polo, brought the noodles. So we heard about different food that was brought to different places, right? And kind of incorporated it. That's very nice. And we have a couple of people who have not spoken yet, like Lucia and Putri and Sarah and
Mr. Hananan.
Rizky. Newcomer and okay, so we're gonna start with Lucia, who has not spoken yet.
Hi.
Hello.
My name is Mutia.
Yeah.
Hi Mutia. So bright. So thanks for the opportunity and thanks for the chance for me to speak. Today's topic is about food, right? Okay. But unfortunately, I didn't bring the food.
Sorry, you need to leave.
One of my friends told me that I need to bring a food. Then, is it really? Then I just come out.
Joseph told last night.
Right.
I said we talked about it last Saturday, but that's okay.
But then change it, is it? Okay. So
Don't feel guilty because I don't see a lot of food here.
So, in my opinion, I do love all of the Achenis food. And as we know that Achenis has really a special food. I mean that it has very characteristic of Achenis food. Sometimes it's really spicy and it much of curry, right? As kuah liu and then kuah belangung. Have you tried some of? Yes.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Kuah belangung is special curry and it is only available in special occasion, for example, in the party or orang kawin. So, kuah belangung, wedding party. Yeah. Also for diet. It's also here when people die. So it's celebration, no celebration. That means holiday. What?
So people have a gathering when it's from
Yeah, when the people gathering, people cook that kind of curry. Yeah, I do love it so much because the taste is really special and it's really strong.
What is it made of?
Oh yeah, it's made of buffalo. No, I mean the meat. The meat, and it's cooked with several Chinese ingredients like rempah-rempah. What to say? Spicy. I don't know. Seasoning. With the seasoning. And another big ingredient in that is the trees of bananas. I mean the smooth of trees of bananas. No, the banana tree. Yeah, the tree. But the
center of the
not the outside layer. I mean the inside layer of it, the smooth one. Yeah, the heart. Yeah, the heart of banana trees. The taste is really interesting.